Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio, or if you're a first timer, welcome. Glad to have you here. I'm going to do some paintings for you today, or at least get them started for a fundraiser for my friends down in Lafayette, Louisiana at the Lafayette Art Association, LAA for short. I've taught down there many times, got a lot of good friends down there. They're having what's called a 6x6 fundraiser. It starts sometime in November. People purchase the 6x6 canvases, like this, which for me is going to be new because I've never painted on a canvas this small before. Should be interesting. Anyway, they're going to have an auction. You purchase the canvas, you do a painting on there, you send it in, and they collect all the paintings together and then do an auction. So if you're interested in one of these, when I finish them, be sure and let them know so they can at least put you on a list to purchase them or to provide a price for them. Again, it's the Lafayette Art Association in Lafayette, Louisiana. The concept for these paintings, I'm going to do 4 6x6s. And the idea is to do a lighter value accent color underpainting with a darker value complementary color overpainting. And letting that accent color underneath show through to create a center of interest underneath. Now, the smallest one of these kind of paintings I've ever done before using this approach was 12 by 36. Now this 6x6 could be challenging, so we'll see what happens. So I plan on doing 4 color combinations, 4 complementary color combinations. One is yellow and violet, one would be yellow, green, red, violet, one would be blue and orange, and one would be red and green, or at least some variation of red and green. All right, so enough talk. Let's get over here to the palette and get going. Okay, let's start with the yellow underpainting first. Let me explain the colors I've got out here. This is going to be for all 4 of the underpaintings. I've got my cool yellow. By the way, these are all golden heavy body acrylic paints. My cool yellow is benzimidazolone yellow light. I use just Benz yellow for short. Diarylide yellow, which is my warm yellow. Got a lot of orange in there. This is Naples yellow, which is a very cool yellow. I use this one a lot. And I'm going to use those obviously for the yellow with some white added to mix a few colors. Then I have my Pyrrole orange, Cad red, light, one of my favorite colors of all time, medium magenta, and quinacridone magenta. So this warm red, as you can see, cool red. All right, let's start with the yellow. And the idea here is to get a mixture of colors on here. While trying to maintain a similar value. I'm going to need to mix a little bit of white with these to lighten the value a little bit. I'm going to be using these Raphael Sepia brushes, which I'll put a link in the description. You can find these. It's an affiliate link, so I'll get a little bit of a commission on that. But let's just start. I'm just going to put these on here really randomly, and I'll probably use a spray bottle to move stuff around a little bit. I might even put a little extra white in there. Yeah, a little extra white. I have no idea where anything's going to be over top of these. I can make a little texture in here just for fun. And these canvases have been gessoed. I added some gesso for some texture on these. All right, that's going to do it for the yellow, I think. Let's see what we can do here. There again, going for a variety here. All right. You know, if you want to do a little. Okay, I think that'll work for the orange. Okay, now let's give a shot with this red. I love, 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 love this color. And if you wonder why I have so much pink in some of my paintings, because I absolutely love this color. And so this is really going to be a, you know, it's going to be a cooler red. So I'll have to work on that with the green over painting. It's going to be a cooler red because that's just what I prefer to use. And these are basically the same color once they're, so let me add a little yellow. Change that color up just a hair. Okay. Let's get some of this lusciousness on here. Woo, baby. You steal my heart. Again, it's all going to be cool red. It's a little too much white right there for me. All right, got a little green here. Now this is teal, which is definitely a blue green, as you can see. This is called Minty G. Those of you that have taken workshops from me know that this is a kind of a custom color that I make. It's got lots of different greens and some yellow and stuff in there. And I know it usually makes a pretty good yellow green, so we're going to start with this and add some white. Oh baby, oh baby. Yeah, that's good stuff. All right. All right, that looks good. Let's go with that. It's a really, really yellow green, which is kind of cool. Really bright yellow green, I should say. Yeah, and this overall is looking a little bit dark. I'm gonna add a little white and some yellow. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So there we have it, yellow and violet, yellow, green, red, violet, red and green, which is probably going to be closer to red and yellow green, and then orange and blue. And thanks for watching.